Birds, nesting and hatching. Eggs and hatching. Like humans and animals, birds also need a place to live in. Mostly, birds live on trees. They build nests for laying eggs and to take care of baby birds. Mostly, the mother birds sit on the eggs to keep them warm. After some days, the eggs break and baby birds come out of the eggs. This process is called hatching. The parent birds protect and feed their baby birds. When they grow into young birds, they fly away. Their parents also leave the nest. Birds build a new nest every time they have to lay their eggs. Nesting habits of some birds. Different birds build different types of nests. Mostly, nests are made from twigs, leaves, grass, straw, thread, and cotton. Some birds also use mud and pebbles to build their nests. They build their nests at a safe place which protects them from their enemies and bad weather. Sparrows and pigeons make their nests using grass, leaves, feathers, etc. They make it on the branches of trees, in our houses, or at safe place. Woodpeckers make holes in the trunks with their kaiser-like beaks to make their nests. They use chips of wood to make their nests warm and cozy. Owls make their nests in the hollows of trees. They put feathers and grass in their nests to keep them warm. Tailor birds make their nests with long leaves and twigs. They stitch the leaves together with thread and straw. They fill their nests with hair, cotton, wool, grass, etc. to keep the nest cozy. The weaver bird makes a very big and strong nest with twigs and grass by pulling the grass in and out. The nest, which hangs from the branch of a tree, has a tunnel-like opening at the lower end. The bird enters and comes out of the nest through it. The koel or cuckoo is a clever but a very lazy bird. It does not build its own nest. It lays its eggs in the nest of a crow when the crow is away. The crow takes care of these eggs, thinking that they are its own eggs. It even feeds the baby birds after hatching. Some birds, like the partridge, make their nests on the ground near tall grass so that no one can see it.